Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all my subscribers all over the world for subscribing me and making my YouTube channel Marine Tech Hub to the highest level. So I would like to tell a little bit more about my channel. I have been running this channel for the last 5 years. Last 4 years the channel was free. Now I have come to a level where I got the membership. So membership level 1, 2, 3. The level membership 5, which is rupees 3999. In this channel, where I am be giving you all the videos for 1 year, plus I'll be helping you for all the troubleshooting at real time from anywhere. So lot of superintendents, chief engineers and all engineers are calling me for troubleshooting. I am very happy. It was my dream that I should have a channel like this where I'll be able to help people and shipping companies to save time and money. So you can always choose whichever membership you want, but level 5 I'll give you all the help, and online training I'm giving you online training for rupees 1499. Plus if you want to subscribe, you can pay me. The bank details are here. If you want to pay through bank, and if you want to pay through Paytm, you can scan the QR code. So I'll very much thankful to all the subscribers again, and have a nice day. Thank you. Today I will be explaining you the programming of variable frequency drive for opening and closing of the door. This drive, you can see it's written Johnson here, but inside the components are all imported components are there. So anyhow I will be telling you the programming part. So you see right now it is P00. So this is the first reading. Next you press up PA1. PA1 is nothing but the normal frequency of the motor. So normal frequency of the motor is right now set at 50 Hertz. So this is the first reading. Then again press PE, then press up arrow, then you go to PA2. PA2 is the normal voltage of the motor, that you can always see how much it is. It's 240. It's 240 here, 240 volt. So this is the normal voltage. Now again you press PE. Now scroll to PA3. Now PA3 stands for minimum working frequency. How much we have programmed it is, it's 15 Hertz. This frequency you can increase or decrease. Right now it is 15. I'm just decreasing it to show you. You can decrease it, then press PE. Now it will be 14 Hertz. So again I'll put back. So it is 15 Hertz. Then press PE. Then it will be entered. Now we'll go to PA5. PA5 is the working frequency in closing. How much we have kept? Working frequency we have kept 60 Hertz. Okay, so again I press PE, then I again go up. That is PA6. PA6 is the acceleration ramp in closing. This will be in seconds. Here is kept as 3 seconds here. So I press PE again, then go up. PA7. PA7 is the deceleration ramp. Again it will be in seconds. I press, it is 0.5 seconds here. So again press PE. Then I will go to the next program. That is PA8. This is the approaching frequency in closing. So approaching frequency, how much we have kept? We have kept 20 Hertz. So we don't want to change it. So next parameter is PA9. PA9 is the working frequency in opening. So how much it is kept? It is kept 80 actually. This actually 80 is wrong. So you should make it 60 here. I bring it down. So 60 Hertz is our thing. So the programming you can change it to 60 Hertz. So it's 60 Hertz I keep. Next I change to PB1. PB1 is nothing but acceleration ramp in opening. How many seconds is there? 0.5 seconds. Again I go up. PB2 is again deceleration ramp in passing from high to low in opening. How much time I'll see? It's kept 2.2 seconds. Okay. Now I come back and go to PB3. PB3 is the approaching frequency in opening. How much is the approaching frequency? It is kept at 20 Hertz. So next I go back. This is PB6. PB6 is fast deceleration ramp. How many seconds they kept? 0.2 seconds. Okay. So again I go up. This is PB7. PB7 is the starting torque boost. How much they kept? 10. Okay. So these parameters you can check. PB8 is the time limit for maximum time for working with one of the contactor active, C1 and C2. How much they kept? It is 50. Next you go is PB9. PB9 is timer that limits the maximum time for working with one of the contactor here. So this how much they kept? This is kept 30 seconds. Okay. So now we go to the next. This is PC2. PC2 is the chopper frequency. How much the chopper frequency they kept? 0. So next I go to PC3. PC3 is the time for automatic changing from high to low speed. How much they kept? It's 1.9 seconds here. Next I go to PC4. PC4 is again the timer automatic changing from high to low. How much they kept? They kept 1 second. Okay. Now I change to PC6. PC6 is the starting low speed in opening. 15 Hertz they kept. Okay. So next I go to PC7. PC7 the time for starting low speed in opening. How much second they kept? 0. Okay. So again I go to PNG, that is the nudging frequency. How much they kept? Nudging frequency is 20 Hertz. Then next is PBSP. SP is the function that calculates the cover distance in closing the phase. So now this is 1 means active, if 0 means not active. Then next is, this is last. Again when you press back, you will come to the original. You will come to the original screen again, program. So this is the original again. You will get again. You get PA1. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can message me. So the power is given here right now. So this is the program done normally. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Thank you.